Hi, my name is Zambia Clark. I live in Lakeland, Florida. I have my undergrad degree in elementary education. I'm a divorced mom of four boys, ages 15. One is going to be 14 next week, 11, and a 2 year old. I got into the social work field because I love to help people. So I thought being a social worker would be a good way to help people as well as make some money and a viable living for me and my children. The agency that I'm going to be working at for my final internship is a full capacity mental health facility. They do inpatient, outpatient mental health care. They also do crisis intervention. They have rape intervention resources as well. They have domestic violence outreach as well as domestic violence shelters. And they also do a lot of advocacy in the community which I live. I'm hoping to get out of working in this particular atmosphere just a good view of different mental health disorders because, as I said before, my previous background is in elementary education, so I don't have much background in dealing with mental health, even though that is a passion of mine. So, being that I'm going to be working in a crisis intervention unit, I'm going to be seeing all different types of disorders that are usually not seen in regular outpatient care. This is what I have been told by my immediate supervisor. I know that this placement will be different than my first year placement because my first year placement, I was impacted by the COVID-19 pandemic, which meant that my internship was virtual with the Pennsylvania Health Department. That was good. However, because everything was so fast paced, they were struggling to get everything ready for us and really didn't have that face to face client interaction that I would have liked to have. However, I was grateful for the opportunity to do that to fulfill my hours to meet my graduation requirements. So I'm really looking forward to having interaction with clients during their moments of crisis and seeing how these evidence-based theories that we have been learning about thus far, how they actually work in action. And I'm just excited to be entering into this field placement. Nice to meet everybody. Thank you.